Alright, most of the video that I've done is just for DaVinci users. But what if you're not in the Reserve universe? What if you are way far from that world? And what if you just bought my loot and you really want to use them into different life? Alright, I'm playing. Today is our Premiere Pro friends and lovers. That we really gonna say the things about them, you know. In my experience, I'm not good enough with that software, but I have something in mind I wanna be shared. Okay, and the Premiere Pro, we don't have a node. They clearly use adjustment layer and lumetri color as their glade tools. Never be so confused. Tell with the users, they're gonna teach you better than I. Okay, first, we're gonna apply Rec 709 loot. As long as we don't have a color space transformation or access transformations into Premiere Pro, so we're gonna use a loot as our hero. Okay, then I control my exposure. After that, I'm gonna drag another adjustment layer, and then I'm gonna choose a different loot. You don't have much time to waste to create your own loot, you know, which is director Kim. He made up for you. What I have to do, you may buy my loot, which has 2 packs in it. It has a look DNA and a skin tone pack in Premiere Pro. I don't see if you have to buy skin tone look. Okay, and then I'm gonna choose my look. After that, I think it's okay. Right, maybe fix some stuff if necessary, but you know, for me, I'll end up right here because I don't want to ruining this. Thanks so much for watching this video. I would like to do more, but in my knowledge, man, I don't want to mess up. Okay, see you guys on next tutorial. I told you, I beg.